Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this type of lock. The first step is to unscrew the two screws from the inside of the house. It would be helpful if you keep this lock in the position like this, and then simply take the cover off. Put the screw into this cover and put it aside. Now you can see there is the battery. Take this one off, and as you will see at the bottom, there is a plastic part. Be careful the line here, don't push it or drag it. Just gently take it off and put it apart, just like this. And then you put the new battery on by matching the button here and push it in, and you will see a slight beeping sound, which is telling you the battery is installed properly. And now tuck this line gently back into where it belongs, and put this cover back. Put the lock, the screws back, and make sure it's secure. And it's always a good idea to do a quick test to make sure everything connects properly. Thank you very much.